Yeah, they ain't gonna like it.
We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you even start watching the video, and you can also like if you'd like to. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're doing a very exciting video, exciting to me, and that is a how to make a vision board video. This year is the first year I've ever made a vision board. Before that, I always do vision book. So I normally write stuff in my book and then I try my best to accomplish those goals. But today I wanted to kind of just see everything on picture and to put it somewhere that I'm always seeing the book. So the board rather. So this is how to make your 22 vision board. If you haven't made a vision board already, it is not too late. February is not too late, March is not too late, but if you're seeing this video right now, go ahead and make your vision board after watching my video. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys know how to do that. If you'd like to see more of this video, as I said, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and let's keep on watching if you want to see more. Okay guys, so the first thing I do when I'm making my vision board is I visualize what I want to put on the board. I visualize what is my goals, or what are my goals. I sit and think about what are my goals that I want to accomplish for the year. I don't recommend doing like more than a year worth for the vision board, and then if something doesn't happen, then you can put it on your 2023 vision board, rather than make it a 5-year vision board where you can always change your mind on certain things that you want to do. You get what I'm saying? So I'd recommend that you guys make a year-to-year vision board. So for me, I got my notebook. Use this notebook. This is notebook I was using last year. You could use your current book as well that you have for this year, and just write down all the goals that you want to accomplish, all the things that you want to accomplish basically. So what I did is I wrote it. You could do that on your phone, you could do that in a notebook. It really doesn't matter as long as you have a clear idea of what you want to do. The next thing, the most important thing, is getting all your equipment. So you want to try your best to purchase a board that speaks to you. You could do a plain board. I see a lot of persons who do a plain board, but me basically I didn't want to do a plain board. I wanted to do something that is appealing to my eyes, that I'm gonna always want to be like, wow, you know. I want something neat, and I want something that I could, when I hang it up, it fits the theme of my room, not just a plain old board with a bunch of pictures on it. So if you want something that is aesthetically pleasing, or if you want something that just has the pictures and it really doesn't matter to you, it's all up to you. So the next thing you're gonna want to do after choosing your board, actually before choosing your board, what you need to do is get your pictures, baby, because a vision board is something that, as the word says, is visual. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get all the pictures of all the things that you want. You want to make it as realistic as possible. So if it is that you see yourself in a car, what you can do, you don't have to do this because I didn't do it either, but I put the car that I want on my board, right? I get pictures on Google or Pinterest, and I just search for the specific car that I would want, you know, the same year, everything. And you want to print these designs out. If it is that you vision a house in your 2023, if you vision yourself with kids, if you're visioning yourself being extremely happy, whatever it is. So you don't have to only get pictures, you can also get words that speak to you. You can get quotes, you can get figures, anything that speaks to you that you want to see for your 2023. And you're gonna print them out. You could print them out at an internet cafe, or if you have a printer, that works too, but the internet cafe is really cheap as well, so you don't have really much of an excuse as to why you're not making your vision board. Come on baby girl, like, put your vision onto paper. So after you get all your pictures, you want to also get some essentials like glue. You want to get pencil if necessary, marker if you would like that too, or what else can you get? Yeah, scissors. You want a good pair of scissors. And that's basically it. So the glue that I used was really the watery glue. I wanted stick glue, but I couldn't get it at where I was, and I didn't want to walk all over the place. So I just got the regular, you know, paper glue. So all you need is a board or a frame. I used a frame. You need your pictures, and you need the little essentials that I just spoke about. After doing that, what I did, I removed my board came with glass. You know, like a regular picture frame that normally have a glass on it. But it ended up breaking on me, and that was completely fine because it wasn't really important to me. So you're gonna get your frame and you're going to go ahead and just cut out all your pictures. as you're cutting out all your pictures, you don't have to do them too small. I don't recommend them doing them too small. I recommend doing them big and then cutting them down if you need to. I made this mistake of cutting them small, and then I was kind of fighting like, oh my god, I don't have anything to fill out this space. So I recommend you do it big, and then if you need to cut it down, you cut it down. After doing all your cutouts for the pictures that you want, you're gonna want to go ahead and kind of lay them on the board to visualize what it is that you have in mind. Okay, so you don't want the pictures to be all over the place. You want them to flow naturally and just be super neat. So you want to lay the pictures down all over the place, you know, just put what you think would work here, basically make it cohesive and just blend together. You know, if you have a specific color theme, you could do that. Or if you just have like multiple pictures but you want the colors to still flow into each other, then you just want to lay them out on the board and visualize how you would like them, you know. If you want to see something, if something is really important to you and you want to be smack in the middle of the board, then you could do so. I recommend doing that. That's a good tip because you'll always see it in your face. So after you go ahead and lay out all your pictures on the board, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna glue them out. If you have any excessive paper to cut them off, but you're gonna apply your glue to the back of the paper now, and you're gonna just stick them down exactly how you laid out or whatever works for you. So after laying them out on the board, you want to ensure that as well that the pictures aren't too small to where if you have a whiteboard, you want to make sure that the pictures kind of overlap with each other rather than to see the whiteboard. I did not remove the picture that was in the frame, so it kind of still cohesed and blended with each other, even though some of mine were a little bit smaller. That's what I was saying, that I cut them too small at first, and then at the end I wanted it to be bigger, but that ended up working out perfectly for me. So after sticking out all the pictures that work for you, you're gonna want, your frame is literally done. You could decorate it. You could do, if you want to do sprinkles, you could do sprinkles on it. Anything works for you. If you want to do some butterfly stickers around it, you could do so to make it kind of just have more life. I recommend pasting the year. That's what I did not do. I should have pasted the year right here, the 2022. I did not remember to do that, but next time I'm gonna definitely do that, or I'll get a marker and just put 2022 on it. I don't know if I like the look yet, but I recommend doing it. I think I'm gonna do it because it kind of reminds me that whole 2022, you have a time limit. It's 2022, you need to get it done by 2022. The end of 2022 is all this goes. But yeah, I just feel like that's basically all the steps to doing it. After you put glue all your things down, you're literally finished with your board. What I did, I glued this frame, this thing came with it, and I glued it all around the frame just to secure it again. And then after which I put my frame back on and just secured it with some tape in the back. I don't know how I'm gonna hang mine yet because the knobs came differently, but I'll have somebody work on them where I could hang it up horizontally. But that's really how, it's really simple to make a vision board. Vision boards are said to be very helpful, literally helps you. It's, as it says, it's visual. You know, your senior goals content. It's a constant reminder that you have this, and that to do. And it's kind of a process of manifestation as well. Because if it is that, look at this goal that I have right here. Let me try to find one. I have a goal right here. I hope you guys are seeing it. And this is Sinatra G, 1,999 subscribers. Oh, the one is missing. I'll write it back.
Hey guys, I look crazy right now, but I just wanted to tell you guys, fun fact, I actually accomplished one of those goals already. I just wanted to tell you guys, make your vision board, make your vision board. I've already accomplished one of them. It's not, I don't want to say it's major, but it's not like a hard goal. It's still hard, but it's not hard. But I basically accomplished one of these goals. I don't want to show you guys my face because I look crazy, but just wanted to tell you guys real quickly. Alright, bye.
Yeah, 1,999 subscribers. 10,909. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. 10,999 subscribers. I don't have that, but I visioned that for myself. By the end of the year, I visioned that I'm gonna have 10,000 to 11,000 subscribers, and I feel like I'm gonna get it. I definitely know that I'm gonna get it, and that's the reason for your vision board, is kind of to put things into perspective, make it as clear as possible, try to make it apply to you. I have this one as well with this video right here, and this is basically, this has something right here that says 6.4 thousand views. I'm not overstepping it, but that's what I visioned for myself. I want to make it as real as possible. I have this account balance thing right here in the middle. Let me see if I can show you I can't see, so I'm trying to look where it is. I have this account right here. I have this account balance here, and I literally have the end last 4 digits of my account number and the figure that I want to see in my bank account by the end of the year. So yeah, that's basically what you want to do. You want to make it as realistic as possible and make it apply to you as much as possible, almost like you already have it, so that when you get it, it won't even be a surprise to you because you already visioned this for yourself and you're putting it into perspective for it to attract to you. That's the process of affirmation and manifestation. Also recommend that you put as much words that speak to you, quotes that really speak to you. For me, a word that I put a lot on my board is stay consistent. I have stay consistent right here. Let me show you stay consistent right here. And I have another a quote. Let me see. Where is it? It's right here. Consistency is more important than perfection. You see, I have a lot that speaks to consistency, and I have the power to manifest anything. That is literally saying that, yo, I will manifest everything on this board. Anything that I want will come to me. So yeah, guys, that's basically how you make a vision board for 2023. I hope you guys 2023? No. How you make a vision board for 2022. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long, thankfully. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys have fun making your own vision board if you do decide to make one. If you have any questions at all, don't forget to hit me up if you have questions. Subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot, and you could help me manifest some of the goals that I have on here. Thank you so much. All right, guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one. I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.